Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
John Ralphio?
Gone to take his head.
Garbage.
Hello. Happy Monday to all of you, and happy bank holiday or Labor Day of work to all of you who are celebrating your day off, like I am. I hope everyone is doing well and that you are enjoying yourselves appropriately, the appropriate amount of enjoyment. How is everyone doing? Hello, Rugmat. Congratulations, Steffi, on being not first, but Rugmat did manage to get the first from you. And I see that you've all been very busy dropping today in the drop game, which is cool. I hope you all had a great weekend. Having a great weekend. Having a great long weekend for some of you. Yeah, I know, Steffi. I know you don't go for first. It's established. It's well established that you do not go for first. I can explain the drop game. I was testing something yesterday for the drop game, and it appears that my fix has worked. I don't know if any of you remember, but there was a black flicker when the drop game would refresh itself. And so I needed to play the drop game. Hi, Lady QB. I needed to play the drop game in order to test whether it was working properly. And I landed for 50 point something in the drop game. I didn't expect to land, of course. I was not trying to rig anything. I was not trying to skew anything in my favor. As you know, I can't win my own drop game. Like, it's not possible. I already have the prize, so I don't need to, I don't need to win anything. But I was talking to Instafluff. Instafluff is one of the creators of the drop game. And he told me that in his stream, no one has hit 100. Not even him.
Garbage.
But in Maya's stream, the other creator of the drop game, she has had 7 or 8 people hit 100. So it's definitely... This is the real stream. You are currently watching the live stream. Yes, you are. You're currently watching the live stream. My name is Matty Two Shoes. Hi, White Panther. Good to see you again. Good to see everyone again. Whoever is here. We don't know who's here, so whoever is here, it's good to see all of you again.
We'll do it live.
Everything is live.
We'll do it live. Fuck it.
Everything is live.
Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Lady QB, Sassy, Wilder, hello?
Don't even get me started. Whenever I see the phrase, a thread.
A thread.
Sorry to any of you who have used it, but it just sounds so self-aggrandizing. I don't know why. When I see the thread and the point and a thread, it's as if like...
A thread. A thread. Yes, Lady QB, I did indeed finish the Get Famous redemption. So White Panther, for example, would probably have enough points to get famous on this stream. If you have 1,000 and... How many channel points was it? 1,111 channel points. You can get famous. Oh, it's Lady QB! Lady QB, your name is now featured in the title of today's stream.
Why?
Congratulations on being famous. Congratulations on being famous. Stupid waste of points anyway. Oh, really? Do you not want to be famous? Do you not want to be famous, White Panther? What a shame. I'd rather spend that money on a new domain. 13 reasons why threads are stupid, a thread below. Yeah. Welcome to all of you. Good to see everyone again. I hope you've all had a lovely weekend, or are enjoying your extended weekend should you have a holiday today, like we do here in Switzerland, and I know the UK, Germany, Austria, I think a lot of countries, France probably, most of Europe, I would say, has a day off today. So that's very nice. It is the last day of my vacation. 13 hours of FCC, a stream. I've already done that, and it was... I don't ever want to do that again, J. Walter. Let's just put it that way. I never want to do that again. Hi, Techie Girl. Welcome to the stream. It's so good to see you. Not Lucerne. Lucerne does not have today. Yes. But you're still missing so much additional knowledge, Maddie. That's true. I am. Panther, I feel like I'm missing all of the additional knowledge. I had such difficulty editing an SVG. I spent 4 hours editing an SVG on Thursday, okay? 4 hours. The entire stream was editing an SVG. No one edits SVGs, you monster! You do when they're procedurally generated. When you get stroke outlines and like fill strokes and all like path variables and stuff. Yes, editing the path code yourself. That's right, using the G parameter of the SVG. The reason we were doing that is because when ads play on my stream, I have a little thing. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. I can show you. I have a little thing that appears in the top right corner called ad countdown. And this overlay, look at this. Look at this thing over here.
Why?
Question. Why, Maddie? Just why? Here, I'll put this up on screen for you, White Panther. Just why? Because this is so cool. Look at that. That's an SVG. That's really cool. It also means it can be edited on the fly. But it does have other benefits too. Like, it was fun to do, it was a learning experience, blah, 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 blah. So yeah. So I used a combination of CSS and SVG pathing stuff to do things. Learning. Anyway, I spent most of the weekend learning as well, but for different things. I've been doing some work offline, some secret stuff. There will be an announcement later this week. No garbage. There'll probably be an announcement later this week. So keep your eyes peeled. You might want to drop me a follow on LinkedIn, or just keep your eyes peeled in the Discord, because something is going to happen. I hope all of you are doing well, though. You're not on LinkedIn. Okay, that's fine. I will also announce it on Patreon. So if you follow my Patreon, which is also free, by the way, you get, first of all, you get stream recaps. So you get all the news. You get news about like major milestone stuff of stream. The stream recaps are like the you get like the gist of what happened on the stream, with like links to articles. When we talk about Data Cafe stuff, you get links to cool clips, you get links to who rated us, who we rated, all that kind of stuff. So if you miss anything from the stream, you can always go to the recap and figure out what happened. But it's also where I do big announcements. I've been fiddling with PantherBot offline. I now regret trying to learn OAuth again. I never want to learn auth related things, ever. Ever, ever, ever. I do not ever want to have to learn auth stuff. Remember, Jay Walter, when you asked me, by the way, hi, Jay Walter. You remember when you asked me recently if I wanted to change lurk reveal into an OAuth application? And I said no. That's the reason. This is why I'm not a backend dev and do the easy front end. Exactly. Front end is easy, back end is hard. Jokes, of course. Everything is very difficult. When you have no knowledge like me, everything is equally difficult. Definitely. So I hope, I hope everyone had a good weekend. Last day of my holiday, which means back to work for me tomorrow. Back to a regular sleep schedule. Semi-regular. PantherBot has the same problem. It needs client access tokens. Oh, yeah. But you need it for legitimate reasons. You need it to access chat. So you need to grant it an app and then give it...
Mr. Two Shoes. Go get that bread, yo, my homie.
Thanks, Karen. Hi, T-Racing. Welcome back to the stream. It's good to see you again. You the shiz. Go get that bread. Actually, my announcement is related to bread. So keep your eyes peeled for that. What are we doing today? First of all, I added sounds. No bread startup. Are you shipping homemade bread? No, not bread, literally. Get that bread. Get that bread. Welcoming Messiah. Thank you very much for joining the stream and following. I appreciate you. We are not making bread. Although we could make bread on stream one day, I suppose. Everything is difficult. What kind of clip is this? Let me watch this. What is this? Front end is easy, back end is hard. Jokes, of course. Everything is very difficult. Halifax! Holy moly. That is a name we have not seen around these parts in a while. Halifax, how are you doing? If people don't know, Halifax is a streamer as well. They were last streaming TypeScript Story Points Estimation web app. Darn tootin' these parts. Halifax, do you have any clips? I dare to ask, but it's possible, right? Let's see.
Some weird ass Inception going on here, but yeah, they're way fucking more readable now.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's funny.
4,
and it just keeps
5.
getting worse and like more delayed as it goes further back. Zunk, zunk, zunk.
This is great.
Zunk. Well,
whoa.
that's
trippy. That's super trippy. That's so trippy. Good to see you again, Halifax. Guess which country could make you a millionaire the fastest based on average yearly salary? Mach. Like Mach speed? It's fast. I love seeing a fast clip. Mach, like Mach speed. Which country would make you a millionaire the fastest? Based on average salary? What country has the highest salaries? Singapore, maybe. TD, you gonna tell us? You gonna tell us the answer? Anyway, well, it's good to see so many people in chat today. It's very nice. Apparently it's Switzerland. Really? But this is the thing. TD, this is a problem, okay? You can't just say millionaire because you need to look at the difference between average salary and average cost of living. Because the spread, I don't know if the spread is that good. Also, Jay Walter, your bot landed again. I can see you've delegated the dropping to your bot. They were just taking yearly salary. Yeah. I don't think that's an accurate representation of becoming a millionaire quickly. It's like become a millionaire super fast, get rich quick is earn a lot of money. But if in order to earn a lot of money, you spend all of it, yes, you become a millionaire, but you also spend all of it immediately. So what do you have then? You have nothing. And then you're a zero linear. What's the word for someone who has broke or poor, I guess is the word. You have nothing. If you become a millionaire, Maddie, have you been forgetting to wear sunscreen? No, I actually just have really red cheeks, White Panther. This is something that's happened like recently. Within like the last couple of years, I have just gotten more and more red cheeks, and it's exacerbated by like key lights and streaming lights, which is good because when people turn the lights off, it's actually more pleasant for me. Where's the music? Hello? What happened? Did it just end the track or something? Oh, there was like silence at the end of the track. Good. Rugmat. I see 15 D20s didn't work again. It's caused by the key lights. No, it's exacerbated by the key lights. It's not caused. It's not caused by the key lights. Oh, look. Is there a 20 in there? Nope. Unfortunate. Are you sure? What am I supposed to open here? What am I opening? Oh, here we go. The data set. But we're not going to start. We're not going to start the stream with the data set. How are we going to start the stream, chat? Please tell me. I want to know.
Garbage.
That's right. Meme of the day. Here you go, chat. Oh, that was an interesting animation. Alcohol exacerbates my face redness. See, that's the thing, Wilder Hives. I don't drink. I don't drink alcohol. I drink water, as most of you have seen.
What is this? It's Microsoft Excel.
Absolutely excellent meme. It me. This is my coding chair. This is my debugging chair. The real problem is where you spend more time. That's the real problem. That's the real problem. But I saw this a couple days ago, and yeah, I need to. I needed to share it with you. Standing desk equivalent would be a shower in the right half. Ooh, yes. Yes. Actually, Steffi, you're right. I think we need to edit this image. I think we need to do a standing desk version of this. We need to bring out our own version. That's a very good idea. Someone Discord message me. Someone Discord message me that we need to make a standing version of this. Coding desk, debugging desk. Because it's not chair anymore. Because position? Deep position? I don't know. Dr. Padawan, hi. Just the way it is. Yeah, what can I say about my cheeks? They're just red. I don't know if it's like just warmth in general. Like I'm a hothead or something. I don't know. I just run warm. Position absolute bottom 0. Thanks, White Panther, for CSS memes in chat. I would also say that's more a gaming chair than coding. The Herman Miller is more of a tech chair. Yeah, but you kind of like, you got the point. I mean, I'm not in a gaming chair right now. See? No gaming chair. Maybe you're allergic to the bunny suit. Should we check? No. No. J. Walter. No. Enough dirty talk. We can't see you're cropped. Yeah, no. Okay, fine. Okay. There's no... Look. There's no chair. Look. Okay? See? No gaming chair. Just a standard, normal, human chair. But J. Walter, we do not need to check if I'm allergic to the bunny suit. We don't need to check that. What we should check is T-Drayson's data. Thanks, Rugman. Any chair is a gaming chair. True, Dr. Padawan. That's not entirely incorrect.
Put my faith in data. Information.
Let's have a look at this here. What is the... Okay, you crop the title. That's the first problem. Where is the title for this? Marketingmind.in. There's some screenshot on a WordPress site. It's a screenshot from an article. Can you link the original article so I can have the title for this chart? Data mistake 1. Always name your data graphs. That is 100% correct. You should always name your charts, because if you don't name your oh, come on! I didn't hear it because of the music. I didn't hear it because of the music. What is this? That is horrible. You mean screenshot 343534 is not no, it's not appropriate. What is this chart representing? Time it takes to become a millionaire or something like that. Always name your data graphs. Thank you, T-Drayson. How long would it take an employee to earn $1 million? Ah.
Ones and zeros never lie.
Okay, so this is average study, 1 million divided by average salary of the country. Fair enough.
Garbage.
So Switzerland is 14 years. Can I still work for 14 years? No, but this is... Hold on a second. This is so... I'm sorry. This this is such garbage. This is such a garbage... This is such a garbage article for the sole reason that what is the point of earning $1 million? What is the point of earning $1 million if you spend $1 million in the process of earning $1 million? Like, what's the point in doing that? I could easily earn $1 million very quickly by working my butt off and spending all of my time working, but then I would spend more money in order to do all of those jobs. Like, it just doesn't... I don't understand why are we talking about this? Why do these articles exist? I can tell you, based on my current salary, it would take me less than 10 years to earn $1 million. But I'm not a millionaire by that definition, am I? So it's not... Okay. Singapore was pretty close, though. I said Singapore, and Singapore was number 2. Maddie's next YouTube video, How I Retired at 21 by Scamming Twitch. The scam didn't work. That's the whole point. How long would it take for an employee to earn 1 million in wealth? Yes, exactly. That's exactly what it should be called. We're going to edit the title. There you go. Thank you, Wilder. This is now a good title. Okay? This is now a good title. There you go. How long would it take an employee to earn 1 million? This is also, like, who wrote this? It has a very basic mistake in it. To earn $1 million. Also, are they accounting for currency flux? Because here's the thing. If it takes you 14 years to earn... So let's take the Switzerland example. This chart is tiny, by the way. If we take the example of Switzerland, okay? 14 years. If it takes you 14 years to earn $1 million, what do you think is going to happen in those 14 years? in terms of currency. Let's take a look. USD to CHF. Look at this. Maximum range. This is since July 1983. How can I do 5 years? This is what happened in 5 years. You went from 0.9995 to currently 0.89. That is a very big difference. That is a very big difference when you multiply that by 1,000,000. Okay? Don't heavily stack your data graphs on the vertical plane. Yes, thank you, Halifax. Very good point. I am 35, so probably working for 14 more years. I'm actually 36 now. I don't know, I need to update my age in certain places. Yeah, and no 10 grand medical bills taking a bite of that earning. That's true. That's true. But yes, all of these things factor into this. And you're right, TD, I'm probably reading way too much into this article, but I'm here to rip into articles like this because it's... Apparently, it will take an average earning employee in India 148 years to earn $1 million. But they don't need to earn $1 million because things don't cost the same as they do in the US. That's the problem. You need to factor in cost of goods. And that's like basically the whole price parity stuff. I'm a dinosaur, apparently. That's true.
Why? Why?
Right, which is why there are so many digital nomads. Yes. Add to the fact that if you earn money in a country but live somewhere else, right? This whole chart is just out the window. And I want to know where they got this chart from. There's no source. Where's the source on this? Numbeo. Ah, Numbeo. Okay, that's the classic. Dinosaur? Oh no, are we doing this again with the pronunciation? It's fine, TD. 1 million would get you a small cardboard box in London. That's true. Dinosaur. So anyway, here's my plan for today, chat. I want to share something with you, okay? I will open this and I will be fully transparent with you, chat. I'm not pleased.
Garbage.
I am not happy. I'm not happy because I had different expectations for my recent YouTube video. So I'm going to show you something. This is my YouTube analytics. Now, obviously, I don't have a very big channel, okay? I don't have a very big channel. But Inking? Thank you very much for the follow. I don't have a very big channel, okay? I have a very small subscriber base. I have, 300 something subscribers. So I don't expect to get millions of views, obviously. However, my most recent video has not cracked 100 views. And this is very disappointing for me because I had expectations of this video doing better than it is. I expected this video to get at least 200 views, at least. And what's surprising about it, Steffi, what's surprising is it's not clickbait because my video retention is very good. The video retention is excellent. The video retention is great. Losing 50% in the first 15 seconds is totally acceptable for me. Like I would be happy with 20% retention at that point. So 50 to 60% retention, and then this retention graph is basically flat throughout the entire video. So I'm very happy with that, but it's not getting a lot of views. It's not getting a lot of views. And what's interesting is that it's just not being fed into the algorithm. It's only had 1,500 impressions. So of course, I have a very good click rate. 1.4% is pretty decent, but it's just not being fed into the YouTube algorithm that enough people get this video served to them. And that's a problem. That's a problem. And I don't know how to solve it. So I'm disappointed in that. So one of the things that I would like to do is I would like to increase the frequency in which I post to my channel. And there's a very simple way to do that. I have 323 subbies at the moment. You need to make more videos. That's right, Steffi, that's correct. Now, if I look at my content, basically YouTube sees me posting 2 to 3 videos a week. They see me posting 2 to 3 videos a week because I schedule all of my VODs. What I do is I schedule a VOD 2 weeks after the live stream. When it disappears from Twitch, it goes up on YouTube. Very simple. So for example, 21st of April, this was last week's stream. This is now scheduled for 5th of May. 24th of April, our OBS shenanigans last Thursday. Sorry, that was 24th of April. 8th of May, 27th of April, 11th of May. So basically just 2 weeks. Consistency is very important. So I have the consistency for the videos, but those videos are very different than the other ones. Those are very different than, you know, these 3-minute videos or what else have I got in here? Or like the videos I did last year in November and December. Those videos are very different. So I bet YouTube would start pushing your channel if you start making some reels or whatever they are called. I think VODs are hurting your channel. They are long and most likely don't get a good click watch rate. You should make a Maddie2 Shoes VODs channel. So I have been doing some research about this. And I'm no expert on YouTube. But from what I see, it would surprise me if YouTube doesn't know the difference between long form video and short form video on a single channel. Because I see the recommendation and I know the recommendation and I see plenty of other people doing that. They create one channel for this, one channel for that, and one channel for that. But I'll tell you something, chat. That annoys the crap out of me as a user, and it should annoy you as well, to have to subscribe to 7 different channels in order to get the content from one single person. It is just mind-blowing to me that a billion-dollar company like Google, that their algorithm doesn't have the capability to separate those videos out. Everyone has put everything into separate playlists, but I disagree. I disagree because I think having them in separate channels is not the answer. I think having them in separate playlists, that's right, Wilder, is that you can tell YouTube they're not the same thing. It would make me feel like I'm more in control if I see that. That's true in terms of notifications. You get notifications for every video that goes up. And of course, if you're getting notifications for every video, well, yeah, that's true. So you could have them in playlists, and that's what I do. I put all of my VODs in a playlist. I have a series, and then I have Twitch highlights, right? And the other videos are just floating on the channel for the moment. Part of it might be that YouTube sees you uploading lots of videos with very little engagement, so it doesn't bother pushing your content. But TD, you're telling me that Google doesn't know that the video is 4 hours long? Of course they know that. There's no way that they don't know that. For me, it doesn't make any sense that Google doesn't understand the difference between long form video and short form video. I don't see Google not understanding that. So I understand the recommendation. I understand it and I disagree with it. It's that simple. Would make me feel like I'm more in control. I don't like to use notifications. People don't get to interrupt me like that. That's fine too. You don't have to turn on notifications to the channel. It's just that you won't see the video if you're not subscribed, most likely. So subscribing is the most important thing. So my plan my plan is the following. So I have playlists. I have a VODs playlist, which has 178 videos. By the way, I have streamed 178 times, so almost 200 streams. I have a Using Data 2 series, which is a new series, which haven't started yet, but that's yeah, it's only 2 videos for now, but we're gonna have more in it. And then there's a Twitch highlights. There's a Twitch highlights one. And also I can get rid of this window. Probably. Get rid of that. And minimize this. So, can you schedule clips highlights for each VOD so that you would give them more short form to push, but still not so much extra creation time for yourself? That is the point of today. Also, cool background. What is she carrying? Is that a baby? What is she carrying, chat? I don't understand this photo. Long-form content doesn't mean low viewership. I watch a channel called Sidemen who upload 1 hour plus videos every Sunday and probably get very good watch rate. No, Wilder, you're totally fine, and it's okay to talk about that stuff like that. Yeah, this is how I feel talking about YouTube's algorithm. This person here, this is exactly how I feel talking about YouTube's algorithm. Sorry, like this guy. That is exactly the point of what conclusion I came to. In order to boost my channel. It's very simple.
So angry. Aggressively turn.
Angry driving. The classic clip. There was a guy on YouTube who built a program to cut down his time lapses into interesting clips. I don't need to build anything because everything already exists, and all I have to do is set it up. Everything already exists, everything is ready, and so today we are going to spend the time to set up OBS with Atom's vertical plugin for my scenes where something is happening. So I'm not interested in starting, I'm not interested in ending scenes. I don't care about that stuff. I care about the meat of the stream. Basically my main scenes like this one, or where I'm talking like this one. On those scenes, I want to set them up so that I have a vertical canvas, and I'm going to set it up with the backtrack feature that Atom has, which is basically the same thing that you have in OBS, in the base version of OBS, which is you can automatically record the last X seconds into a clip. And that clip is already in vertical format, which is exactly what I want to use for a YouTube short. So all I need to do after the stream is take those clips, upload them to YouTube as shorts. They obviously maximum 60 seconds. I might have to trim them down a little bit to make them more snappy. But the backtrack is there. The clip is there. That's not very friendly to vegetarians. Please refrain from using the word meat. Fair point, TD. The crux of the stream, the core of the stream is going to be about setting that up. So that is the objective. That is the objective today. So we're using Atom's vertical OBS plugin, which is entirely free, to make perfect YouTube shorts. How are we going to do that? The first thing is to install the plugin, which we already did. The second thing is to set up the plugin so that it works on your stream. So we're going to switch over to OBS. I'm going to get rid of my YouTube window here, because I also agree with all of you, with the exception of those of you saying I should split channels. I disagree with that. I do not think that I should split channels. I don't think that is the solution. I will not be creating a VODs channel. I will not be creating those separate channels. If someday I had thousands of subscribers, then maybe I would consider doing that in order to give people an option of getting notified for different types of content. But as it stands today, I just don't see the value in giving 323 people the choice of being notified whether it's a VOD or it's a shorter video about some other topic. I just don't see it. I don't see users electing to take that decision and subscribe to like 5 different channels for the type of content that I'm currently making. And I think that there's an illusion, and this is probably the biggest problem. I think there's an illusion out there that people believe that YouTube isn't capable of promoting videos properly if you have a mixed content type channel. And I don't think that's true. I don't think that's true. I don't have data to determine whether that's actually true or not. It's a hypothesis. But it's very hard to test because most YouTubers of a certain size they split their channels. So I would love to have an example. If someone knows of an example, if you know of an example of a large YouTube channel that has mixed media content, mixed types of content, like long form, short form, some videos about this, some videos about that, all within the same kind of space, but maybe in different formats or something, then please send them to me because I would love to see how they're doing it. So let's do this. OBS now has another vertical canvas in it. Sorry, I have to go a bit more over here so you can see this properly. Yeah. So it has a vertical canvas. The vertical canvas has settings. So one of the settings here is obviously what should the resolution be. I've chosen 1080 by 1920. I want them to be in full HD. I feel like if I have the quality, you might as well. The video bitrate will be 6000 kilobits. The audio will be 160, which is fine. Backtrack, you can always have backtrack running, but I just have backtrack running while streaming or recording. The backtrack recording length is 90 seconds. I've chosen 90 seconds because YouTube Shorts have to be 60 seconds or less. And so I have some margin there of what I'm able to do left and right of that. Like I can cut the video down to be under 60 seconds very easily, or include a little bit more. Like I can shift the window basically. Like if I don't get the backtrack recording 100% correct, where it's being stored, and then I have a hotkey for the backtrack recording. This is very important because the save backtrack hotkey is if you do not have ADEM running. So if you don't have the ADEM app, which I do, then you're not able to trigger the backtrack, right? You're not able to trigger backtrack if you don't have that. But if I go here, if I add a rule and I say YouTube, or I just say ADEM backtrack, and then I go to new action, and I go to OBS, you see here there's a save backtrack. So what you can do as well is you can also start recordings. So you can have you can toggle recording, so you can start or stop recording as well. So I could record the entire stream as a vertical stream, but I don't think that's really useful to do that. Because if there's something that I didn't manage to get in the backtrack, I could always go to my main 16:9 format wide recording and edit it into a short if I really wanted to. But I think that's just, it's not feasible. So you see here, vertical save backtrack, action delay 0. Now what's cool about this, if we have a backtrack thing, this trigger could be from anywhere. So I could let you trigger it from chat, for example. So I could trigger it from my stream deck, but I could also say, if I went to Twitch and said, every time there is a, I don't know, every time there is what should we use? I don't know. Every time we... what should we use? We can use anything. Every time someone follows... it triggers a backtrack recording. It saves a backtrack clip. Okay? So now if someone were to follow, what will happen is... So right now you'll see my recordings, right? There's just the stream in here. There's nothing else. So if someone follows, then it will automatically put the last 90 seconds into a separate file here with the settings that I've set here, which is under recording, which has the vertical prefix. So there'll be vertical and then basically the timestamp. And you can also say how for the recording, like if you were to actually record, what's the recording settings? In my case, we're just using backtrack and then it uses those particular settings. I think so. Does backtrack use this then? I'm not sure actually. I'm not sure what the 6000 kilobits refers to then actually. So basically if someone were to follow, then it would trigger. So we don't need the hotkey. But the main thing is obviously we have to set up. So we'll just wait for that to trigger. I'll just leave that there. I'll edit it later. So right now, what we need to trigger, what we need to set up is what the canvas looks like. So you can see here on the left, there's these vertical scenes. So I've made one for starting just because I started to do that, but I actually don't need one for starting. What I need is an 80/20 vertical version. So 80/20 refers to our standard scene, this one. This is 80% camera, 20% chat, or whatever else I decide to put there. This other scene that you're currently seeing is 2080, or I've called it 3070, just to have a bit of a distinction. It's basically 30% camera, 70% content. And I basically need those two scenes in vertical format. But you can create a separate, an entirely separate layout for the vertical stream. You don't have to keep this layout that you see here on the stream right now. You can take a completely different layout. Let me show you, for example. So on the 80/20 scene, oh, we actually have to go into studio mode for this, I think. On the 80/20 scene, we have audio from Black Hole, which is the desktop audio. We have the music. I want that to be included as well. Should I include the music in the clip? Maybe not. Maybe I shouldn't include the music. Let's not for the moment. I could always add music later. That maybe for the clips, I don't want music. Okay, then I have my microphone. So I go to scene, and this is cool because I can already add an existing scene, mic main. So there's my microphone. I also don't care about size, right? Because whatever, it doesn't matter what the size is. Like that. So we have the desktop audio, the microphone. Then, okay, so then comes the question of how do we add the content in so that it makes sense for vertical? Well, you see, for example, there's this BG white 5%. This is actually the vertical line. Sorry, this is the highlight behind Twitch chat. Now, I don't think I need chat in the vertical format. I think I can just have a vertical feed of my video. So what I can do is just ignore this in the vertical. And I can ignore that, and I can ignore that. And then I could just have the camera. So for example, if I go here, I go to scene, where is it? Camera. Camera main. So you see here, this is the vertical canvas. You can see that, by the way, did everyone just stop chatting? it's just like, it just stopped, like just here. There's like just no more chat messages from anyone. Enjoy your lyric, Ruckman. So yeah, so basically, basically now I have to fit my face onto the vertical canvas. So what you can do is you can just go to here, transform. Where's transform? Transform, fit to screen. If you do that, you see how the wide angle doesn't work anymore, right? Then I would be like this, which in this scene, this doesn't make sense because I'm not showing anything else. I could have my chat underneath, in theory. So I could have like this. I could have like that. We could lock that. And then I could have this background white. Scene, BG. Oh, it's so hard to see when it's not in order. Where is this? Oh, it's not a scene. Sorry, it's a source. Color source, BG white. So like this, for example. I can just expand this over. It doesn't matter if it goes over the things, by the way. It doesn't matter. And then I have this BG line thing. So I go to scene. Where is it? BG line. Drunk Conveyo, thank you very much for the follow. And that will have triggered a backtrack clip. Look at this. Oh, that's not right. Where did I want to? I wanted to open my Finder. There you go. So you see here, MKV, and remuxing is on, so it automatically created a remuxed version. Look, we can watch this. Enjoy your lyric, Ruckman. So yeah, so basically now I have to fit my face onto the vertical canvas. See? This is the vertical canvas. What you can do is you can just go to here, transform. Amazing. There you go. Automatic clips for your stream. Now, obviously, I've done it on follow. That's probably not a very useful thing to have. I would probably have it activated with something else. Probably, I would say probably via the Stream Deck. That probably makes most sense. And then I can put it on a button on the Stream Deck, and then I can just hit the button and be like, okay, cool, it's saved as a clip. Like if the last 90 seconds something happened really cool, then bam, I could do that. And if I could like give that power to particular people in chat as well, because I can do that with Atom, I can filter particular chat names. Anyway, so BG white, that's done. And then I can add this vertical line, BG line. So let's add a scene, BG V line. Now I'm just being really lazy here and not really designing anything again properly. But that's kind of, there we go. So I add this vertical line to there. I'm gonna just center this to make sure, center horizontally. So I'll lock that in place. And because if you layer everything properly, like in Photoshop, if you layer everything properly, it's fine. I'm gonna drop as well. I fixed the drop game, by the way. There was this black flicker and now it's not there anymore. I won't tell you how I fixed it, it's a secret. So I want to add the iPad. So when I'm drawing like this, I also want to add this. But the risk is that, I guess the risk is that you can't see necessarily the whole drawing because it's not the whole thing. Because that's something, yeah, I don't think that's going to work so well. Let's leave that out for now. So no iPad. Tell us now our bunny suit. Do you really want to know, Jay Walter? Do you really want to know? I'll tell you how I fixed it, if you really want to know. If you really want to know, it's very simple. This thing right here. It's called color key. It is basically chroma key, but for a color. And because there is a black flicker, I basically color keyed black, and just did one similarity and one smoothness. And that basically does not affect the look of the drop game. You see here. Oh, did you see the flicker just then? That was when it was off. So now it's on, and now we don't have a flicker anymore. I'm gonna snooze the ad as well. Simple. Very simple. So that would be, for example, that's like a clip I could use for backtrack. So now I could go to ADEM. Now I have like 90 seconds worth, and I can do that. And now I have another clip for my... Interesting, we just have to threaten you with bunny suit if we want things. Yeah, maybe. But the risk is that... I guess the risk is that you can't see necessarily the whole drawing because it's not the whole thing. That probably doesn't have the recording on it that I need, but okay. I realized that the white line is too far down. Where is the VG line? Here, this one. We need to move that up a little. Need to move it up a little bit. It's very hard to see, so what you can do is you can do a windowed projector, and then you can like blow this all the way up like that. And I have a vertical monitor as well. So I could put it on the vertical monitor, and then I can really see the vertical layout, which is actually quite helpful. So this is done. What do we want to do next? Oh yeah, we have to go back to the scene. So the 80-20 scene has then the camera, we have the line, stream game. I think I will not have the game on there. Featured chat doesn't really make sense, but we could. Maybe if I'm answering a question, could make sense. G, featured chat, G. Oh, I need to, I'll need to trigger featured chat to see what this looks like. There we go. So you see, for example, this kind of thing. Now I could go like this, and I could actually make it bigger. It's a bit hard to edit, I know, when you're in this canvas like that. But I could make it bigger and just say transform center horizontally. So I can take all of my existing scenes, and without too much effort, I can basically create these vertical versions of everything, which is really nice, which is kind of what I'm hoping for. Oh, we can make this a bit bigger. Oh, wow, this breaks things. That's fun. I'm sure the ADEM team wants to know how to break the canvas. So, okay, we have featured chat in there. Then the memes. The memes. That's a very good decision. Should we have the memes in there? I feel like it should be in there. Because if it's not in there, people will riot. The issue being that in the case of the memes, I think I can only do this on the top part of the video. Because if I do it on the bottom part, I could make like triple layout. Can someone play one of the full screen memes? What would be one of the full screen memes? Oh, I know. No, I know. Yeah.
Who's that Pokemon?
Yeah. That could work. Oh no. Now I can't see anything. Oh wow, double redeem. I'm so sorry, one of you just paid for that unnecessarily. One of you paid for that for no reason. Unfortunately. Oh, I wanted to see something. Something should have happened there. Did it not happen? Oh, that's not live? Oh, it's not active yet. That's good. It's not active yet. I got a bit concerned. I thought something would have been active, but it's not active yet. Good. Sorry, Yoast. I can't refund you, but I can give you a freebie. I can give you a freebie. So do we want the memes to be separate? Like that? I suppose that works. But over my face is more dramatic, no? Over my face is more dramatic. It's probably better. Okay, then we have the shout out. Scene eFuse shout out. Where is it? Module. So scene M. I hate that it's not in order. I hate it. It's horrible. Ah. There it is. Same problem. Same problem. But I think the shout out also needs to go over my face. My face! Oh, we need to add chat. Twitch chat is a module. So we go to scene. How much time? Oh no, the ad! The ad! Oh no, the ad. Okay, we have to go into a small break because we have an ad coming. I will see you in a few short moments. We will take 3 minutes of break.
Garbage.
I'm very sorry. I can't pause the ad anymore. It's already starting soon. So I'll see you in a moment, and take a break yourselves as well. Take it easy, you know, drink some water, you go to the bathroom, whatever you decide to do. And we'll see each other in a few moments. And there was absolute uproar. Know who had created the clips? Oh no! Oh no! No! Chat! No! We can't keep doing this! Again. No!
Wouldn't it be funny if it
Oh wow!
came out?
This is it's like too deep. At the same time. It's too deep. No! See if TD has been doing any. This is so meta. Oh my no! Right now. Like I don't understand levels. This. What is? It's like 7 levels. I can't find Finite Junior. I can't find Finite Junior. Where is he? For 42 points, called New Clip. And yes, if you do want to Twitch clip and you are too lazy to find the Twitch button for clipping, on mobile especially, it's a bit tricky. You can now use the channel point redemption to trigger a Twitch clip. However, just remember, you can DM me on Discord if you want. I won't say no. I've never seen this movie, but I'm making a splash, is what's happening. You could get the link. Oh! Are we trying to mess up the stream to get the link? This scene is immune to being messed up. It doesn't work that way. Look, you can't touch me now, chat. I am protected. I am protected. That is what this scene is all about being in the classroom. As you may notice, the clock on top is actually my local time. No, Panther, what did you do? What have you done? Shame on you, Panther. So I stream all kinds of data-related stuff on Twitch. I build data-related products as well. I've built quite a few things for streamers. Lurk Reveal and Stream Bingo and stuff to be able to draw on your stream using an iPad. All kinds of like little nifty little tools. Hi Mike, how you doing? I didn't build the thing to make clips. That's a different tool. But yeah, I generally try to educate people in the world of data analytics, because data is everywhere, but data is also very difficult and very weird. And so I try and sort of bring that closer to people. We have a data cafe segment where we cover news and articles and interesting stuff, what's going on in the data. Hello, welcome back. I was on mute first. Someone played an angry clip of me and it played on the vertical scene. but not but not on the main scene. Because that's kind of how that works. When will 1 15-second ad for McDonald's? Okay. When will the classroom scene return? Well, Rugmat, if we finish the vertical thing, then we can definitely finish up the classroom scene today. Because that would be nice. I have it. Thank you, Rugmat, for posting my amazing my amazing face in the Discord. That's a horrible. Horrible. Yeah. It's just horrible. There is still stream bingo, of course, if you'd like to play. Prizes can be won. I never said what the prizes are, but you can win prizes with stream bingo. So, back to vertical. Wait, is that correct? Yes, you can see it. So, you can see, what do you see? You see this, yeah. Studio mode. And then the 80-20 scene. Acid rain. So we have the shout out thing, and then we need alert, of course. GSE alerts. What should alerts be like? I feel like alerts could be actually quite big. They could take up like all of this. Probably. Because the alerts come in from the right side. Let's test some of the alerts. Let's test a sub. And a follow. And bits. Wait, what was the one that triggers on the top? I think it's a tip. Oh, here we go. Is that being cut off? No, it's not, but it's a little bit too... Hold on. There we go. That's better. Wonderful. So the alerts fire. I could have them over the top, of course. In terms of size. Yeah, that makes sense. Why not? Let's do like that. They all have they all ever played all at once yet? No, they have not. Wilder Hives, thank you for the sub. I almost didn't catch that. I almost didn't catch that. They have not all played all at once, but there have been situations where they've played 2 at a time, yes. Follows and bits in particular. Follows, bits, and subs, those 3 tend to play sort of at the same time. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you, Panther, by the way, for doing the beautiful audio for those alerts. It was White Panther who did all the alerts audio. I was going to do it before the ads, but they snuck up on me. Let's have a clip of Panther again. Let's have a clip.
See what we get. Let's do it again and see what we get. Can be shortened if necessary.
It's going to be 100, isn't
Put
it?
it in, we'll see what happens.
It's going to be 100.
Now we have 100 across the board and
Woo!
fireworks.
Perfect.
Someone
100.
Clip this.
Clip this.
Someone clip this.
Exactly.
Now. A++.
I don't have 100. This like 17 haircuts ago.
Just follow the rules, right? And we are going...
That's like 17 haircuts ago. At least. Where's Pretzel? Okay, it's doing stuff. Oh gosh, that was when I was growing out Edna. What's Edna? What's Edna? But Wilder, I appreciate your sub a lot. Thank you very much. Very kind of you. Everyone knows about Edna. When you were growing out Edna, Contentful. Oh, it was also... It's also 10 haircuts in the future. Oh, that's very interesting. Thanks for streaming. Over 2 years ago. Wow, it's an old clip. I need my branding. And we need the branding on here. So let's add the branding. Yeah, so for the moment, let's add the branding. Scene. Branding. So the problem is here with the claw logo. What else appears on the branding scene? I have the ad countdown, the follow alert majiggy, and the claw logo. Okay, I'm only interested in the claw logo here. I've never seen this movie, but I'm making a splash, is what's happening. You could get the link. Oh, are we trying to mess up the stream to get the link? This scene is immune to being messed up. It doesn't work that way. Look, you can't touch me now, chat. I am protected. I am protected. There will also be so Rugmat, to answer your question, so classroom scene, we might be able to do that today. Also, the redemption that is still missing is mess up my stream. That's one of the redeems that is not active yet, and I have a plan. I have a plan for that, but I need to I need to do some testing offline to see how I can get it to work how I want it to. Okay, small spoiler. Small spoiler. I want mess up my stream to have levels of severity. And you can basically put a level 1 to 3 when you put the redeem. You can type 1, 2, or 3. And based on what you type, it will do different things. In order to kind of have the randomness disappear in that sense. Because the way I was doing it before, with triggering random values for so many different filters, meant that I couldn't do it at scale for lots of different filters at the same time. And yes, I know you have other means to mess up the stream. So chat is there. Oh yeah, sorry, we need chat. I keep forgetting. Where's chat? Chat, where are you? Chat, where are you? Chat? Module, Twitch chat. There we go. This is cool. Oh, it's getting bigger. Does this make sense like this? In the middle? On the right? What makes sense? This is all empty space then. This is all empty space. I don't know if that's a good layout. Is that a good layout? Too small for mobile. Yeah, it might be. You know what we could do? I was just thinking we could go full on. We could just go like this. Like that. Oh, that's way too big for mobile. That's way too big for mobile, I'm telling you now. I want people to be able to read the chat. Because the point of this scene is kind of if you were interacting with chat, you know? Kind of thing. I also have to put this down a bit. Oh, no. Wait, I didn't mean to do that. Twitch chat. Twitch chat needs to go here. Make a Star Wars style chat. I can't... I can't change the chat style just for one. I'm using the same source. So Yeah, I know what you meant. Like it's fading up into the thing, but I can't change the style just for one because I'm sharing the same source. That's kind of the point. I don't want to use a different source because then it requires more work. Okay, this is the vertical layout. What does this even look like? Wait, I need to add a hotkey. I need to add a hotkey. 1 second. I need to add to my stream deck. I need to add a page for this. We need to add a page for this. Deck item. Let's copy this. I probably need another 14 hours to do that. Backtrack. I need a different emoji for this. Definitely need a new emoji. What emoji should we use for this? Vertical. Oh, there's a mobile phone. Phone? That's good. Or this one maybe. Let's do that one. Okay. So now I can trigger this. Wait, did that... No, that didn't do the right one. What did I do? I think I caused a problem. Oh, that's the wrong one. Deck 8 and backtrack. There we go. Okay. Cool. So now I can do that. Now it did a clip. There we go. So it will remux it automatically. So let's take a look at the layout. This is the layout, the vertical layout. What does this even look like? That's not bad. I need to add a hotkey. This is cool. 1 second. I'm just thinking that I could to my stream deck. I need to add a page. I could just make it. My camera could just be full vertical. Deck item. Let's copy this. I'm just thinking that instead of like this layout, instead of like that, I could make my camera more vertical and then have the chat in the center at the bottom. I don't know if that's better. Like if we remove... Oh, I don't need to remove it, but... so Twitch chat. If I move chat like over here... If I make chat the entire thing... If I make chat the entire thing, it's blurry. That's the thing. It's not meant to be... It's not meant to be that size. Transform. Reset transform. This is basically the maximum size that it should be. Is that size. Oh, we could have it come in like that. Could be like that. Okay, let's try with the camera. Where's the camera? Camera main. What if the camera was... What if the camera was... Hold on, chat's above. What if I crop the camera? What if I crop it to be like this? Gosh, my face is huge. What if I do like this? Get a new face. Those are expensive. I was looking online, really expensive. BG line. Okay, then I could add the line at the top. Is there... Wait, I need to look up something. Is there a YouTube Shorts overview? Because I'm actually wondering if there's like a... If there's stuff that sits over the short when they play. Yeah. So what I'm thinking is the bottom bar has stuff. Like, I have to be careful about this because the bottom bar and the right side have stuff happening, so you won't be able to see them as well. Yeah. Okay. So what we should do is actually, this is good actually as a layout. This is actually a pretty decent layout. The VG line then should go up here or something. No, my face has to go up. My face needs to move up. My face needs to move up to there like that. I could leave like a small margin like that. And then I could move the branding thing. I could move that to up here. Yeah, that could work. That's cool. And then move this. Hold on. Oh, there's too many things active. Wait. Like that. And then we don't need the line anymore. But the chat will cover my face. But is that okay? Is it okay that chat covers my face? Because it's like, it would be like a funny, it would be some kind of funny topic. Now, what I do need is some kind of banner thing for the bottom to show that it's on Twitch. So I'm thinking Canva to the rescue for this. Let's create a design. And I need something to be some kind of 1920 thing, and then I'll scale it down. Video? Presentation? What the heck? Sorry, I'm doing this off stream. I'm just trying to find... presentations are in... Oh. Custom size. 1920 by 1080. Oh no, I could just make it in vertical. 1080 by 1920. Here we go. Chat is more important anyway, yes. Agreed. So I need to make some kind of banner majiggy. Oh, you know what? I just realized something. FF00FF. No. DD. What was green screen green. Hex. I keep forgetting it. 00FF00. 00FF00. There we go. So the problem with Canva is they don't allow you in the free version. They don't allow you to download with transparent background. And I'm too cheap. Too cheap to pay for Pro Canva. Canva, if you're watching this, I'm more than happy to do a sponsored deal where you give me a Pro account. FF00FF is best. Yeah, I know, right? That's the best one. FF00FF. I agree, it's very nice. But we'll just stick to the other way around for now, Hallie. I know you have some bias with color. Just learn Figma. No, what I like, I can use Figma. The problem is that Canva has pre-made designs. So if I type Twitch under, sorry, elements, they have all the graphics in here, which is kind of cool. Some of them are like cheap, but I don't know how to short clip. Reel. What would it be called? Oh yeah, see? They do have the Instagram thing. What are those things called? Promo? I don't know what they're called. I don't know what they're called. When you promote your channel name. What are they called? I don't know what they're called. Promo. Oh yeah, okay, hold on. YouTube short. Oh, look, they have short layouts. Cool. Some of these cost money though. YouTube, Twitch. Let's do like that. I don't know what that's called. What are they called? I'm looking for the name. Maybe panel? Panel? Ah! Wait, I think we're getting closer. Twitch panel. There's some cool layout stuff. I mean, of course I could play with the layout and not make my face full screen and stuff, but I don't like the fact that there's like stuff in the way. I don't like that. I don't really appreciate that in the design. So I'm thinking of adding, basically I want to add this. Oh, you can't really see this. I want to add this here on the bottom part. I want to have like a thing that says, you know, twitch.tv/ blah blah blah. And I know the cheap way to do it is to go to here, to elements, and go to, sorry, text, and then go to like I don't know, look for a font that I like, and then be like, I don't know, this one for example. What font is this? Twitch.tv/ Maddie Two Shoes. And then get rid of these things.
Another powerful reason for insisting on Intel Inside.
And then go like this. I realized it would get clipped once I did it. No, not everything I do gets clipped. So it's like, it's not a given that it gets clipped, you know? It happens, but it doesn't happen all the time. Like, you just have like a font thing, you know? Wait, what? I'm not following. Wait, I need to read chat. Everything gets clipped. A lot of things do get clipped. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. So apparently it's like this, where you have text. And then this text will probably be white. I'm guessing it will be white. And then the background would be black there in that section. There are these really long clips on YouTube, I think. Yes. I had a lot of fun during that stream though. I think we need to make music again, chat. I think we need to make music again. That was a lot of fun. Was really a lot of fun. That's right. If you clip, I will thank you for clipping. A clip, and a clip. This could work.
I'll just read the chat. Read the chat. And
Is this
wrap it up.
confusing?
I'll just read the chat and wrap it up. I'm a Red Panther.
I'm sure that A would have so much to say about this design. Speaking of music, another music stream, White Panther? Never. Oh gosh. Sounds horrible. Okay, and then panel. How big is this panel here? How big is this space on the bottom? I literally don't know. Oops, that's not what I wanted. No, undo. Undo! How do I undo in OBS? I don't think we can. How big is this space? The setup will take days. Joy. Oh wait, we're not in Slack. I do that all the time, Panther. I do it all the time. I try to type Slack emojis in Twitch, and it doesn't work. Okay, so we don't need this vertical line thing. Oh no, we could use the vertical line thing for the separation of this thing. Okay.
It's just all trying to fit a sausage into a keyhole, isn't it?
Sausage in a keyhole. Very interesting, Panther. Very interesting analogy. Have you ever tried to put a sausage into a keyhole? Because I know for a fact that it will not fit. I'm saving that as a backtrack clip. The moment you realized what you just said. Yep. I realized it. Okay, let's try here with a element. Where do I go to shapes? Shapes. Lines and shapes. Here we go. Oh no, this is the wrong place. This is cool. This is kind of nice. I don't know if I need that. J Walterbot landed. Nice. Nicely done. This should be black. Watch me live on twitch.tv. Not the worst. Let's try it. Okay, download it. And then add it to the scene. Image. New. Image file. Downloads. This is the real stream. You are currently watching the live stream. It is real. It's 100% real what you're watching. Ah, okay. It's not large enough. But I feel like that's a good amount. We could do... No, the Voodoo Ghost stream? What are you talking about? Dev Panda, hi. Welcome back to the stream. This is actually a good layout. I'm gonna put this over here. Not behind this. This we don't need anymore. Oh, right. So we don't actually need the black. We don't need the black on this. I just realized. Okay, so export, download this. How many times can I play that clip before it gets cleaned away? Depends on chat's tolerance for it. Let's put it that way. It depends. It really depends on chat's tolerance for it. So let's see. This image needs to be replaced. We need to rename this as Oh, what are we renaming this? BG vertical BGV underscore 8020. Whatever. It's literally the only place I'm going to use this. I need to move the line down and then move that down. Okay. I should make my I should make the font. I should make the font a different color on the Maddie 2 shoes. I should make it the purple. My purple. What's my purple, chat? Does anyone remember? It's close enough. Alright, download this. Let's go to our downloads folder. Where are the downloads? There they are. Alright, downloads. This one. There we go. So we're going to call this, what are we calling this? BGV vertical. Promo. And then I go to assets, OBS, images, and I move this to there. Boop. J. Walter doesn't have any clips, Panther. That is the reason why you won't find anything there. Yes, J. Walter deleted Chaos Ball. Unfortunately. Absolutely outrageous, I agree. 100%.
The Claw stream team, some of my
Yay!
favorite people in the whole wide world. And
wait, some?
Forget it.
Some of your favorite people? How dare you? How dare you? Are we not your favorite people? All of your favorite people? Who else could be in there that isn't in the team? Hello, Panther. You have the power. You can put whoever you want. I just want to see all my haircuts to decide what I do next. Should we do... Oh, we could do a haircut cut. A haircut supercut. That would be so cool. A haircut supercut. Someone needs to do a haircut supercut. Oh, Wilder, I forgot. Wilder, I completely forgot. New month, new submask. Wilder Hives, if you are still listening, you can choose one of the 80 colors available to us. If you want to know which 80 they are, you can choose. And where you would like your name on the mask of subscription. How have you been saying, Wilder? Using AI to detect haircuts. That sounds like a lot of fun, J. Walter. That sounds super fun. Wilder. Wilder? Wilder? Wilder. Wilder. The mask is back. Hello, right join is the best join. Yes, the mask is back. We had, in April, we had the mask, and now we have the mask for May. Again. It's like Bulbasaur, isn't it? I'm not so sure. V-line needs to go down a bit, probably. Let's sort this out. Okay, let's sort this out for a second. BG blah 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 is not there anymore. I like it as Wilder, but I think I came up with it as Wilder. I literally care not on how it is said. Okay. That's fair. Well, I will say it however it comes out. I will say it however it comes out. How about that? Okay, so that is actually good. That is actually a very good position for that. So we do transform center horizontally just to make sure. Okay, and now we have the... Bye, J. Walter. Have a good night. If someone wants to do exclamation mark GN, J. Walter. just rolls off the tongue more easily. Wilder hives? Wilder hives. It's literally the same for me. But yeah, hives. Let us know where you would like to have your name on the mask and what color. Yeah, this is okay. Well, okay. Where's the camera? Oh no, that doesn't work. Twitch chat has to be above the camera. Featured chat. Oh, featured chat come up. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me see what happens with featured chat. Yeah, okay. I need to bump featured chat up a bit. To here. And then do transform center horizontally. Okay. The Schmilky Way. The Schmilky Way. Have we got a raid from somebody new? A new person emerges. The Schmilky Way. Hello, the Schmilky Way. Thick Nam Nam. Thank you for the follow.
I blame Nam Nam.
I'm going to take Milky for this. Oh my god.
Nom nom.
That's a long ass.
I will be leaving soon. I just want to see if I can finish everyone off here. Okay,
Oh,
that
hello.
sounds.
Wait, what? I was about to remove the headset as I heard that.
The evening's gonna have a happy ending.
I meant killing them, not finishing them off.
Oh, double raid! Trash Puppy as well! Ah, what's going on? Double raid! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Trash Puppy, double raid.
Peach Fuzz is...
What a mask!
Generous.
Oh my
Peach
gosh.
Fuzz.
Pure chaos.
For the
Pure
low price
chaos.
of 10,000 happy points. Peach Fuzz simply... We'll drink this.
What is
Very
happening?
simply.
Are you drinking creamer through the mask? What is happening, Trash? Is that Peach Fuzz? Oh my gosh. I have no idea what to say about that other than thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So first of all, the Schmilky Way, thank you very much for the raid. Welcome to the stream. We don't know each other, but that's fantastic. Tell us a little bit about yourself, Schmilky Way. You are new indeed, exactly. I see Panda is with you, so it's possible that Panda orchestrated the raid. Thank you very much for following as well. What were you doing on your stream is the question. I'm very curious to know. And Trash, thank you very much for the raid as well, bringing in 36 raiders with you. That's very, very cool. For all of you who are wondering, my name is Maddie Two Shoes. I am a data person, a data streamer. I do lots of tech-related things on Twitch. I try to sort of do edutainment, if that makes sense. So like teaching people and learning myself at the same time, but keeping it fun and light. Lots of memes. Welcome in, everybody. Good to see you. ST Dur and Cypher Enigma. Hello. Good to see all of you in chat as well. Dev Panda, you're not being blamed for anything. It's actually Panda Poopums who's being blamed for things currently. Not the dev one. The poop panda, not the dev one. Okay. Phew. Woo. Sigh of relief. Sigh of relief. You can call me Poopums. It avoids confusion since there are so many pandas. Oh, okay. I'll just call you Poopums then. Yeah, Poopums. Trash, how was your stream? I hope you had a good time. Trash Puppy is a member of the Claw, the stream team that I'm part of as well. The Claw is a collection of tech-related streamers, designers, developers, developer adjacent. Yes, the Claw, exactly, the Claw. We're doing pretty well. Today, I am trying to accelerate my YouTube growth I have a new YouTube video that I brought out, and it doesn't even have 100 views. No, not the evil claw from Inspector Gadget. The claw like the claw from Toy Story. The warship one. Exactly, Poopums. Exactly. The warship one. So yes, I created my own Twitch category, which is not clickbait. It is 100% true. I created my own Twitch category. How I did it is somewhat controversial, let's say. Wouldn't recommend it. And today, basically, I'm looking at improving my YouTube presence by having shorts. Oh, yes. Epic Sax Guy. Yeah. Let's watch the video, get another view. You want to improve your presence by wearing shorts? No, I want to improve my shorts. Oh, Epic Sax Guy is quiet. Okay, wait, we can boost that. We can boost. We can boost it. One moment. It's good for you to tell me, Trash. Thank you very much. I added those earlier today, so might be a little bit low. Calves get views. Is that true? I'm not showing my calves. Let's just put it that way. I'm not showing my calves. I will allow that because it's funny. It's not used maliciously. It's okay. It's okay, Poopums. It's okay. Feet probably gets views, yeah. I have an idea for that anyway. But Schmilky and Trash, if you need to go off and get things done and you know, rest and do post-stream stuff, I totally understand. No need to hang around, but I appreciate both of you. I saw, Schmilky, you were playing a game called Burn Simulator? What, I don't, what does that even mean? Like, what, how does that even work? Like, do you just burn things? Like, is that like the is that like the objective? You just get a flamethrower? Oh, bum! Bum simulator! I read that as burn simulator. It's like, hi, I have a flamethrower and today I'm going to flame all of you. Oh, that would be just pure gold. The way Schmilky plays many different Sims. That sounds hilarious. It sounds hilarious. A pigeon-yielding bum. That sounds fun. But yes, you could get probably... Maybe you could get, like, the flamethrower maniac, Ellen. Maybe you could get Ellen to sponsor a game for a flamethrower simulator. Wouldn't surprise me. I'm a bum that controls pigeons and have a shopping cart friend named Carl Cartman, so that wouldn't surprise me if we found a flamethrower simulator. That's fantastic. So basically, if you don't know, this is basically how this is working, okay? I'm using a product called Atom. Atom is a stream automation. Hi, Mesmiro, by the way. Welcome to the stream. And basically the idea with Atom is you can automate lots of different tasks on your stream. So for example, the raid stuff with, you know, the shout out. So up here, where was it? I had some announcements. Yeah. So like, thanks for bringing in 36 people to the stream with automatic clip stuff. All that stuff is actually done through Atom. Atom itself is not free. The app itself is not free. However, it's less than $5 a month. So honestly, for the level of automation it gives you, 100% worth it. Okay. And I pay for it 100%. Like I don't get anything from them by recommending it to you. It's just something I use and I think it works very well. What is free, however, is what you are seeing here right now in this weird vertical layout. This is their vertical plugin for OBS, and it is 100% free. So you'll notice that I have two OBS canvases here right now. The one that you're seeing on the stream and this vertical one. And this vertical one is basically like a separate, it's like its own OBS instance within your OBS itself. It's amazing. So you can set it up entirely like OBS, where you can choose, you can even stream from it if you want to stream from it. You can record, and it also has a feature called backtrack. And backtrack is exactly what it sounds like. It goes back a certain number of seconds and records a clip. And so basically, the shortcut to YouTube Shorts is literally me pressing a button to create 90-second clips of my streams that are already in a vertical layout that don't require any editing. So now I'm going to press a button on my Stream Deck to create a backtrack clip. And it's automatically saved it. It's automatically saved it to my recordings folder. Let me just pause the music for you. And look at this. That stuff is actually done through Atom. Atom itself is not free. The app itself is not free. However, it's less than $5 a month. So honestly, for the level of automation it gives you, 100% worth it. Okay? And I pay for it 100%. Like I don't get anything from them. I noticed that the music is in there. And the reason that the music is in there is because I have to change something. That is so useful. So a clip from what's basically a preview window. Yeah. But you can fully record from it. Like it's a full-fledged canvas. I need to check something on my pretzel output settings because I don't want the music to be on all my vertical stuff. Audio output, headphones. That's very interesting. There shouldn't be any music on here. Microphone. Oh wait, is it because the audio mixer is still running? Isn't that because the audio mixer is still running in the main canvas? Let's try something, chat. Let's try something. If I change to a scene that doesn't have a music track, or we mute this track here. Okay, if I mute this track for music, no, it's not about a number of track thing. It's about the fact that I'm. So, oh, I see what you mean. Yes, okay, so I could change that my pretzel music doesn't go to track 6. And then it won't appear in the VODs. But that's not useful. That's not useful in this scenario because the vertical settings include all the tracks anyway. I'm actually wondering, does it make sense? Thank you for sending good vibes, Schmokey Way. Does YouTube editing? So I sent her here, since this would be time saving for her. Yes, that would be very useful. So Panther, in your case, if you want to not include the music, there's 2 ways to do it. First way is by taking it here, basically by eliminating it from a certain track. Like for example, if I take off, I could do that. If I take it off, for example, track 4 or track 5, like pretzel VOD, if I take it off track 5, and then I go to Atom, and I say in the recording, I disable track 5. Then if my music is playing, so music's playing, and now I record a backtrack, then it should not include the music anymore. Let's listen and find out. Yep. So, oh, I see what you mean. Yes. Okay. So I could change that my pretzel music doesn't go to track 6. Yep. And then it will. That's actually the best way to do it. That is. Are you saying my face is not pretty? Panther? How dare you? No, that's fantastic. That's great. That's fantastic. Oh, wait, what angle is this? Oh, 6.9. Oh, I read it as 60. Oh, no. I read it as 69. Oh, no. What have you done, Panda? How dare you? How dare you? But I will store it as a backtrack. Thank you. It does automatically creates a Twitch clip as well from that particular thing, because I thought it would be enjoyable to create a Twitch clip. Can you make it show different screen while your cam is only on the upper part? So good question. Thick Nam Nam. So basically, you can set any scene you want. So let's have a look at the scene difference right now. So right now in my normal Twitch stream, you're seeing a layout where my camera is like 30% and then the 70% content. If I change scenes to like this scene, for example, the vertical scene doesn't have to change. It can, but it doesn't need to. So I can change to whatever scene I want. I could add another layout here. So I could duplicate this one and call this VP 3070, for example. Now, if I did that, I could mess around with this scene and say, for example, I want the camera to be, I don't know, I want the camera to be completely different. So let's transform this, reset transform. I want the camera to be, for example, like small, for example. Like I want the camera to be up here, right? And then I don't want to have chat on here. So I take Twitch chat and I just remove it. It is basically an entire second OBS canvas that you can do whatever you want with. So I hope that answers your question. And you can link them. So this one, for example, I will link to the 8020. If I link this to 8020, whenever I switch to 8020, then it will switch to that scene. And if I link the 3070 to my other main canvas, 3070, then they always switch together. And of course, you do have a vertical scene transitions thing too. So you can do cuts, for example, for transitioning vertical scenes like this. You can make them cut, or you can add an entirely new one. You could have a swipe, right? You could say, I want to have a swipe up, for example. So for example, you could do like this, and then see here, and that's just animating on the vertical canvas. Even if I had ATEM, I wouldn't be able to make that, not smart enough. I disagree, because if you're smart enough to stream, then you're smart enough to do it. And if you need help, the ATEM Discord is a wonderful place. Really, it's fantastic. There's so much support there. From the community and from ATEM themselves. There's really like a great infrastructure there. And of course, Schmilky, if you really want to know, we can always go through some stuff together if you're really curious, right? Just be aware, I stream on Mac, so some things on Mac are a little bit different from Windows. Namnam would have to learn it as well. So yeah, so I'm thinking, I like the slide. I think that's pretty cool effect to change scenes. But I want to change the camera here because it's not fully maxed out. So I'm gonna go a little bit bigger here and a little bit bigger here. And I think that's it. I think that's the layout. Because it's kind of good, because like new chat messages, they appear right here. There's this like cool banner on the bottom. Nam could learn it eventually. It's not hard. It's really not hard to learn. Really not. Let's make sure everything works. We have the branding stuff. We have alerts that fire. So if we have like a raid, follow, subs, perfect, fine. We have shout out clips that play on the top. We have memes that play on the top. That's fine, they play over my face. We have featured chat. Hi, Exegete. Oh no, vision trouble. Oh, Panther. Oh no, I dropped my glasses. And I seem to be having some issues with my vision. Hello? Can't see properly. I cannot see properly. Hello? Oh, where did that come out from? Did that come out of the right place? Did that come out of the right place? I'm concerned. I need to do this. Okay. You should get LASIK. Oh, LASIK would not fix this problem. No, on the vertical canvas. I can't see the preview. It's too... I need to see it again. I think it comes up from here, doesn't it? No, it's on the memes, right? So it would be up there. Oh, that's okay, whatever. Not a problem. It's not a problem. Nothing on the vertical. Really? It doesn't pop out from the side? There it is. There it is. It was there. But that's okay. It wouldn't matter because I would never include a... I wouldn't have a backtrack clip. I wouldn't have a YouTube short where I do the toasty effect like that. So that's good. It seems pretty simple though. Just install Atom and edit a vertical scene and choose the output. Yeah, that's exactly what it is, Poopums. That's exactly what it is. Yeah, that's literally exactly what it is. Toast. Trash Puppy, do you know what this is a reference to though? This particular effect. That's the question. Do you know what that's a reference to? You're talking about the automatic clipping and making it into YouTube short. So, okay, Schmilky, so the clipping part, okay, you can do it. You don't need to have Atom to do that. So I have Atom, so the way I have it set up is I have a rule that triggers it from my Stream Deck. So I have a rule here. When I press a button on my Stream Deck, it activates Backtrack. But you can do this without having the Atom subscription. It's a lot easier with Atom subscription, but you can do that with here, save backtrack hotkey. You just set a hotkey, and whenever something happened that you think's really good, you just hit the hotkey. That's it. You don't need to set up anything else. That's really like, that's how the backtrack works. It's the same as OBS's recording feature, which I can't remember what that's called. What was it called? What was that called again? Forget the name. What was it called? Does anyone remember the name, what that was called? What was it called? I think it was under video. No? Replay buffer. That's the one. On OBS, there's the feature called replay buffer. So you see here, this section there, that allows you to do the same thing as Backtrack does in Atom. It's the same feature. It shares a clip, and that's it.
What is this?
Excellent aubergine. What? So Trash, the toasty meme is actually from Mortal Kombat. It's a little... I drew an eggplant? Oh no, I'm very afraid now. I shouldn't have drawn an eggplant. That's not my intention. So, next track. So basically, what it comes down to is you can just create scenes in vertical that have different layouts. So my 80/20 layout will now be linked to my 80/20 scene. And that basically means whenever I'm on the 80/20 scene, it will have this layout. And you can link it to multiple. I can link it to my 30/70 scene as well. I don't know what happens if you link two scenes. If you link two scenes to the same one, then I don't know what happens, to be honest. It probably messes up, to be honest. It probably messes up. Oh, you can only link one. You can only link one. Once you link the second one, it overrides it. Ah, yeah, okay, it overrides it. That's clever, very clever. They've thought about people like me that are trying to break things. I'll have to look into it because that would be really useful and time saving. Yeah, I'm planning on this allowing me to create like basically 3 to 5 shorts a week easily. Like if I do 2 or 3 streams a week, I should be able to get 3 to 5 shorts out of it easy. Thank you, Trash. Have a great workout. Get them gains, yo. Do you think you could fit the entire speedrun setup into one YouTube short? Ooh, that's an interesting challenge. As I already have it set up, maybe not. You mean with a blank one, right? Is that what you mean, Panda? Like, sorry, Poopums. You mean starting with a blank, like, with the plugin just installed? Because there's enough documentation about how to install the plugin, but maybe not about how to get it into the right layout for YouTube or something. I don't know. I should go get ready for bed. I'll be lurking. I hope you have a great stream, and it was nice to meet you. It was nice to meet you as well, Schmilky. I'm definitely going to drop you a follow, because thank you very much for rating. I appreciate that. Speedrun instructions. Well, I'm not sure if I'm going to make that, but what I definitely didn't make is this segue to ads. So we're going to have 3 minutes of ads. It means we can take a small break. It's a chance for you to take a break as well. Take 3 minutes to get some water, go off to bed, do whatever you like to do. If you want to drop a lurk and leave the stream on, then you do that. So it's good night to both Thick and the Schmilky Way. Good night to both of you. And I will see you hopefully in a few minutes. And we'll be right back. Yes. So this is kind of interesting. So the man who has not been named was selected from within the ranks of the force. So he was already a police officer. When it's convenient, when it's not, I still live at home. Can you do that one more time?
No, I'm not doing that again. This will be one of the last times that we're going to be able to use peekaboo. Like, see, the snap camera is going away. And I'm very, very...
That appear on Patreon. You can read them for free. If you follow me on Patreon, you can get them by email. Cough, Yoast. Cough. It's completely free. Where I just go through what kind of stuff I did on the stream and stuff like that. Okay, so we're missing a... Mess up my stream. Ooh. Highway to the danger zone with Google. So I stream all kinds of data related stuff on Twitch. I build data related products as well. I've built quite a few things for streamers. Lurk reveal and stream bingo and stuff to be able to draw on your stream using an iPad, all kinds of like little nifty little tools. Hi Mike, how you doing? I didn't build the thing to make clips. That's a different tool. But yeah, I generally try to educate people in the world of data analytics because data is everywhere. But data is also very difficult and very weird. And so I try and sort of bring that closer to people. We have a data cafe segment where we cover news and articles and interesting stuff, what's going on in the data. I realized it would get clipped once I did it. No, not everything I do gets clipped. So it's like, it's not a given that it gets clipped, you know? It happens, but it doesn't happen all the time. Early afternoon. I mean, why have you done this? Also, Rugmat, what kind of idea did you get? No. Why have you done this? You're not supposed to watch this anymore.
We've gone
Central Pennsylvania. I live at 308 Nagoya RO Lane. Nice try, bad cop.
No, it's like 8 levels.
I know what level that is. This is the idea. Oh no, did you just clip this? Did you just clip that? Congratulations, Rugmat. But you see, now I moved the clip to cover my camera. So we can't get any deeper than 9 levels. It's just not possible anymore. Unfortunately. Clunk 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 clunk. YMCA. But hey, listen, chat. Everyone here who isn't from Zach's raid might not know who Zach is. Zach is the Twitch news source. Hi. Welcome back. I hope you all had a good break. And no, Panther, that does not work. Because it is outside of the scene. So you cannot shout me out when... Why does that only happen with you? Right join is the best join. Thank you for the raid. I appreciate it. Okay. For 42 points. Called New Clip. And yes, wow. If you do want to Twitch clip and you are too lazy to find the Twitch button for clipping, on mobile especially, it's a bit tricky. You can now use the channel point redemption to trigger a Twitch clip. That's not true anymore. However, just remember what I said about right joins. I was caught in the act of saying something weird. Oh no.
Do you know what? I wanted to listen to some funky stuff, but there was only one track that was YouTube safe.
100% shout out stream.
No, I'm feeling it. Okay. Right.
Nice track.
No, Electro Swing gets really boring because there isn't much of it.
There's not a lot of electro swing. That's very true.
What I'm gonna do is...
You miss blonde hair? Really? You do always say that. It's true, Panther. You do always say that you miss blonde hair. Oh, I didn't fill my water. Anyway, so... how many vertical scenes do we have? How many vertical scenes do we have? We have 1. So the 80-20, I think this is good. It would be perfect if we could upload it to YouTube and see whether it actually works. So let's actually do that. Let's upload a video. Which one should we upload? That's the question.
Bye.
Which one should we upload, chat? Okay, which one should we upload? The last one? Saving. Yeah, I'm planning on this allowing me to create like basically 3 to 5 shorts a week easily. Like if I do 2 or 3 streams a week, I should be able to get 3 to 5 shorts out of it easy. Thank you, Trash. Have a great workout. Get them gains, yo. Do you think you could fit the... No, I don't think that's that one. Could do that. If I take it off, for example, track 4, oh, I see what you mean. Yes, okay, so I could... You gotta edit one down. You can't upload a raw clip. Oh, they're longer than 90 seconds. That's true. That is very true. Into Resolve we go. Think of the server storage. It's very true. Think of the server storage. Okay. Fine. Let's edit one then. DaVinci Resolve. Open. I can just drag one in here. Downloads. Which one do we want? This one. Oh, I did make a vision trouble, yo. Do that. Oh, that one's also great. This one? Saving. Yeah. No, I made too many. Hold on. I'm... Record... No, not that one. That stuff is actually... I thought I made a vision trouble one. Maybe I didn't. Oh, this was funny. Do you just burn things? Like this one was funny. Let's do that. Okay, change the frame rate. And then go to this. Boom. Oh, wait, I have to change the canvas size, don't I? It's raw! I have to change the canvas size, don't I? Preferences? No. How do I change that? I forget. Or is it already vertical? Inward, thank you very much for the follow. I'm not saying the full username on that one. You will not get me. You will not get me with that one. But you see here all the different tracks. It has all 6. But I could just mute one of them. This is cool, actually. Wait. Calves! Okay, that was way too loud. Sorry, chat. 1 second. I don't know what size the canvas is. How do I know what size the canvas is? Mixer. Audio 1. I think I need to reduce this. Let's just mute all the others. Is that true? I'm not showing my calves. Let's just put it that way. You go into like project settings for canvas size. Really? Oh. I thought you could do it preferences. But I thought it would do it on the fly. Maybe I have to do it before the project. Canvas. No, I don't know what it's called. With Resolve, it does not. Okay. New project. Don't save. New project. Vertical clip. Well, but this doesn't... this doesn't... Okay. File... Project settings. Ah, here we go. Vertical resolution. Pa-pam! Media pool. Go back to my download folder. Drop that in there. Change the project frame rate. And boop. There we go. Now it's correct. Okay, it's way too loud again. Take this down by 5. And then mute this. Like, what? Oh, this is the one where the music was on this track. Like, do you just... Yeah. Is that yeah. Like the... Is that like... I don't think it does with any software. The objective? You just get a flame... Okay, so... Let's open up this clip a little bit. Is that... Where was the funny part? What? I don't. What does that even mean? Like, what? How does that even work? Like, do you just? Okay. But Schmilky and Trash, if you need to go off and get things done and you know rest and do post-stream stuff, I totally understand. No need to hang around. But I appreciate both of you. I saw Schmilky, you were playing a. Here we go. Here, this part. So we're gonna break there. Gonna get rid of that. I think there's like a move this to the beginning of the timeline. No, it's not what it was. What was that called? Or was it called Ripple Delete? Was that the one? Ripple Delete? There we go, Ripple Delete, that's the one. Shmuki, you were playing a game called Burn Simulator? What, what I don't what does that even mean? Like, what, how does that even work? Like, Do you just burn things? Like, is that like the is that like the objective? You just get a flamethrower? Oh, bum! Bum simulator! That's a good place to end. I read that as burn simulator. It's like, hi, I have a flamethrower and today I'm going to flame all of you. Okay, that's also a good spot. That's also a good spot. Okay, so this is pretty cool. This is the clip. Switch to video production, there's no code here. Yeah, if that was a category on its own. Export project. No, not the project. Sorry, I keep forgetting. Okay, so we're going to YouTube 1080p, resolution, custom, use vertical resolution, 30 FPS, MP4, H.264, blah, 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 same as project, everything is fine. Yeah, add to render queue. Downloads, vertical test, render. That should not take very long to render at all, because it's very short. 35, 40%, 10 seconds remaining, chat. I could overlay some music afterwards if I really wanted to, but the music is already in this one. Okay, it's done. It's done. So YouTube, here we go. Are we about to watch you resurrect your YouTube channel? Resurrect? There's going to be shorts every day, all the time. That's the thing. Shorts. Don't you need the app for a short? Like you have to upload it via phone? No, you do not. As long as it is under 60 seconds and you use the shorts hashtag, it will be a YouTube short. For now, you cannot change the thumbnail on your short. It already knows it's a short. What? Yes, Panther. This is why Aiden Vertical is going to absolutely speedrun YouTube. Bringing back shorts. It never used to be like this. It's been like this for a long time. Do I need to put these on a playlist? I don't think I need to put them on a playlist, right? Do I need a description? I don't think so. I should change this too. Okay, it's unlisted. Okay. Shmuki, you were playing a game called Burn Simulator? What? What does that even mean? Like, what? Okay, so this format looks like it's pretty good. List that shiz. Why are you unlisting it? Yeah, I will publish it in a second. I just want to see what it's like from a layout point of view on the app. Can someone open this in their YouTube app on the phone? Is that possible? For statistically speaking, 30% of you should be on mobile right now. So one of you, 30 people, that means around 10 of you should be on mobile right now. So one of you 10 who is using your phone, I will permit you to leave the stream and just open this on your phone. And is the bottom bar, like, is this watch me live on Twitch part, is that really covered by mobile? Oh, Yoast, looks good on mobile. Can you send a screenshot? Oh wait, I can actually look at it myself. I can actually look at it myself. Shame on me. How do I get the link though? Wait, I need to post it. Maddie just inflating the view count. Of course. Of course. I need to paste the link again for myself. because I don't have it. Pro streamer is pro. Confirm. Ah, can't open this in the app? How can I open this in the app? It didn't open the app for me. Also in the middle of coding. No worries, Yoast. Didn't open it in the app. Okay, I'm gonna publish it. Problem solved. I'm gonna publish it, chat. I can just call it something else. I have to rename it, obviously. Okay, so this is Burn Simulator. Should I add them to a playlist? I don't think I care about it. The question is, what does my channel look like? What does the channel look like? Are there shorts? Yeah, here. Okay. Okay, so Burn Simulator. Can I publish from here? Ugh. Yes, I can. Wait, I can. Public. Publish. Screenshot sent. Oh, hi, XE. Thanks. Oh, that looks pretty good, actually. That's actually okay, isn't it? Is it okay that the text is covered? What do you think, chat? That's the question. I wonder if that's like a good thing.
Like and subscribe. Bye!
You think no? You'd put the banner at the top. Oh yeah, you're right. You're probably right about that.
Garbage.
You're probably right. Thanks, XC. Oh yeah, I can show it. That's fine. Let's show then. Basically like this. Because like it should cover the face. You're right, it should cover the face. But that's good, because it solves the problem of the chat disappearing then. That's good. That's very good. Okay. Then we will just delete it. Because the layout is wrong. Or should we leave this one? How does that even work? I don't want it to be there. It's subpar quality now, you know? Should I leave it? Who cares? Shmuki, you were playing a game? I guess it doesn't matter. Yeah, it's similar on mine. But you're right, we should change the layout. No one cares. You're right. But we should change the layout. So let's do that. Okay, the branding at the top is fine. We'll move that afterwards. So we need to move the background to the top. Okay, let's do that. Background to the top, which means moving this to the top. So uptight. I know, but it's only through perfection that we achieve mediocrity. That's the only way to do it. Okay, so we have that done. That is done. Then get rid of this. So then the background needs to change. I downloaded a new version. Assets. OBS. It is only through perfection that we postpone deployment. BG vertical promo is what we called it. Okay. Replace. We could just move that bit up the canvas. I need to give you some lessons in YOLO deploying. Yeah, it's true, Panther, you're pretty good at YOLO deploying. I gotta say, you are very talented at that. You're very talented at YOLO deploying. Oh, come on. There we go. Deploy YOLO. That's good. What else do we need to do? Because no one cares.
Garbage. And so, Lola, are you streaming at the same time as well?
Yes.
I didn't know!
Get out, I need the line. Get out of your... Panther, get out of my clip.
See, I was confused. Yeah, right, okay, great, now I know.
That was a very old collab.
So.
That's a very old collab. I need to window this preview thing so I can see what I'm doing. Oh wow, nailed it, okay. Transform, center horizontally. Featured chat. Ooh, where is that going to be now? That's a very good question. Ooh, where is that going to be? Okay, let's use Panther's quote. I need to give you lessons in YOLO deploying. Okay, we need to move featured chat to the bottom, I guess. It can't go anywhere else. Transform. It can't go bottom because... Oh, yeah, the thing will cover it. You're right. But what if it's in the middle of the screen? Does that matter? What if it's like in the middle? What if it's like there? Side left rotated. Okay, let's go full YOLO. Full YOLO. Is that better, Panther? It's maybe too rotated though, actually. Wait. Where's the thing? Jaunty. There we go. It's gone now. Hold on. We need a long message. We need a really long message. Here we go. I didn't realize the Kanban clip was actually you doing it. I thought it was some piece of pop culture I was missing because I'm decidedly unhip. Cypher Enigma, it is me doing the Kanban in the rooftop pool of the apartment building where I live. We have a pool on the roof. It's pretty epic. Can't really complain about it. Ah, stop popping balloons in my ear. Ah, chat. Okay. This is good. There's some weird glitchy stuff now. And the branding, I want the branding to move here. Like that. Okay. I love it. I just listened more than watched, so that was one of the first times I caught it outside of a passing glance. I must go. I wish you well. Remember, no one cares. Thank you, White Panther, for the lovely advice. And remember, no one cares. I'm gonna pin this to the rest of chat. Until the end of stream. I've watched Hackers. You can't fool me with a pool on the roof. What? ST What? I don't follow. What do you mean? Covering your mouth is not very accessible for people hard of hearing. You've learned everything you know about computers from that movie. Wow. That's pretty cool. Not sure what to say about that. I'm wondering about the filtering on this, because the chroma key is not doing its job. There we go. Wait, you didn't know the pool on the roof joke from hackers? No, I don't. Am I not cultured? Am I not cultured? I feel like that puts me in a very awkward position. Okay, I think it's done. I think this is pretty good. Oh, no, one thing. Chat, people won't be able to read chat. Because Twitch chat is along the side. So we go a little bit smaller. And just go here. So the bottom part doesn't cover it. Okay, I'll probably I need to go watch something Pool on the Roof joke hackers now, probably, to inform myself, right? That's probably what needs to happen. So we have one vertical layout completely done. Can't people see the bottom part? So Nathnold, welcome back, by the way. The bottom part is covered by YouTube's shenanigans in the app. So it's not really worth putting it there. It gets covered by the subscribe and stuff. Ginny! Who's the user who benefits from the on-screen Twitch chat? So, in this particular scene... Hi, Ginny. In this particular scene, where I am including chat, so in the 80-20 scene, so this one, where chat is visible, it is necessary to have chat, because I'm probably going to refer to something someone said. And then the context is important. In my other scene, in this scene, where you're seeing right now, which we're going to design now, the 3070 scene, I don't think we need to have chat on here, because it's about the content. And you can see the layouts are different. The layouts are different. Which is fine by me. So we can actually continue with the layout like that. Maybe I'm actually going to delete this. Hold on. Standard Pretense, thank you very much for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Where are you from? How are you doing? How did you find us? Let us know in chat. Always curious to know. Nathnold, how are you doing today? And Ginny, how are you doing as well? Hope everybody is doing well. Also, anyone I haven't mentioned specifically. I hope you're doing very well. Alright, so we have a 3070 scene. We have 8020 and then 3070. This one will look different. Little small for me, by the way, on a 1080 display. 1355 714 Twitch video window. Oh, so Ginny, are you watching this on mobile? Because it's going to be very hard to read on mobile. Oh, even on desktop. Wait, what is small for you right now? Particularly, like, let's disable this for a moment. Like, what is in particularly... Like, what is small for you? OBS text? That's normal that it's not readable. Got home from a 12-hour drive down from Scotland. Oh, wow. Knowing the YouTube things can help. Oh, you have me on a 43-inch TV. Okay. Permission to link to Pool on the Roof. Yes, STDer, please do so. Nathaniel, this looks like a very interesting point. Let me bring this up here. Knowing the YouTube things can help, like knowing why people put subtitles in the video for the first 15 seconds because people preview it, which is silent without having clicked the video yet, and then after clicking it doesn't restart. That's very interesting, Nathanold. Thank you for telling me that. Thank you for telling me that. That's actually very good to know. I didn't realize that. The small thing is in the video text chat that you just showed. Yeah, that's fine then. If this is too small... Oh, that only happens on non-short. Yeah, this is purely shorts. We're only talking about shorts. We're only talking about shorts. Big channels like Mr. Beast do that. Yeah, I think I'm not a big enough channel to warrant having captions. That's the thing. Thank you, STDer, for linking. Let's watch the video together.
Yeah. How about the pool, Kate? Pool?
Yeah, there's an Olympic-sized swimming pool up on the roof. Take the stairs over there.
Yeah. Sure. Thanks.
Hey, hold the door!
No pool.
Locked. Yeah, I remember this now. I remember this. I remember this. That is pretty funny. That is pretty funny. Thank you for sharing that, S-Teeter. I appreciate it. I forgot about that clip completely. So, Betty Crocker, I have a fix for getting a single chat message to fit vertically. Translate to a vertically written script. Chinese, Vietnamese, Korean, or Japanese, and align it to the left. Betty Crocker, that is a genius idea. Also, welcome to chat. It's just that there's one small problem. When you translate the message, no one can read it. From my community who doesn't speak that language. So... that's a bit of a problem. That is a bit of a problem. Yeah, but the idea is sound. I like your thinking. Very, very out of the box thinking. That is very out of the box thinking. I like that. All right, so our 80-20 scene is like this, and our 30-70 scene that we're currently on. Easy fix, teach them Chinese. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Just means you need to publish more educational shorts to teach your community the language. But what language? Are we teaching everyone Chinese? Like, oh! I didn't even hear it this time. One of the hardest, most contextual languages. Yes. Yes, indeed. Yost, what did you write in chat? Also, keep chat in English, please. Thank you. I can't moderate chat if it's not in English. Japanese is also quite challenging because you have 3 sets of alphabets. You have hiragana, which is the very simple letters, right? Then you have katakana, which is the foreign words version of hiragana. Then you have kanji, which are the symbols, which are basically compacted hiragana together. I can't English chat if it's not moderate. Chat is trolling today. It's great. Okay, so in this particular situation, the 30-70 scene, which we are on right now, which is good because it means that I don't need to go into studio mode. Katakana are also used for emphasis of native words, which is doubly confusing. Oh, that's right, Halifax. That's true. I forgot about that. And that is doubly confusing, as you say. Yost says that I can speak Chinese. Oh, very cool. So 3070 has black hole, no music, microphone main. We have the background for the 80-20, which is fine. Then we have camera. Camera's gonna have to change. So let's do that. The V line is gonna have to change. Featured chat can be on there. Twitch chat has to go. I'm sorry, chat, you don't belong on this scene. The memes can stay. Memes can stay. I think my video could be down here. Thank you very much for the follow, Betty. Very much. Thank you. Also, thanks for this kind of content. I found you totally by accident by falling asleep and apparently raiding in. Were you in Trashes or Trash or Schminky? Schmilky. Sorry, Schmilky Way. Because we had 2 raids at the same time, which was pretty cool. Where are the shoutouts coming? Oh, the shoutouts are also coming there. 275. Memes, 275. Oops, no, that's not what I wanted. Memes, 275. No, that's the shoutout. 275. Trash Puppy for sure. Ah, yeah, okay, cool. We're in the same stream team, you know, just so you're aware. We're in the same stream team. Let's test the alerts again. I need to see where they appear. Yeah, that's fine. It can be on the content. Branding is fine. Although my camera's gonna be further down. So maybe... No, I don't want to do that. Can I undo? I don't think I can do that. Transform, reset, transform. Let's move the camera down first. Then we don't have this problem anymore. Best way to find new streamers I found. Yeah, I think I agree with you, Ginny, that finding new streamers is quite challenging sometimes. So... let's put the camera down here. This could work because then it's just my camera being covered, which is fine. I don't really care about that. Vertical line. I think we need 2 of them. Can we add it twice? I think we can add it twice. We can add it twice. Okay. Transform center horizontally. Okay, so 2 lines. And then, okay, so the branding is a bit big. The branding is a bit big. Let's take that down a bit. That could work. Because I want the claw branding to be on there. I think that's cool. So the 80-20 would be like this. And then... yeah, that works. Okay. Now this block here is for my main content. The way I have my main content set up right now is with this scene here called desktop. So if I do scene M desktop, the issue with this is going to be size. This is a challenge. So what I wanted to do, and I don't think I'm going to be able to do it yet, what I wanted to do was I wanted to have, basically I wanted to have this like here, like this, and then, oh no. Hi Ian, welcome to the stream. So good to see you. I wanted to have this basically here, like that, and then center it. Where was it? Transform, center horizontally. And then basically whatever I'm doing, I have to kind of rely on the fact that I'm in the middle of my screen. How you doing, Ian? It's good to see you again. But that's a bit risky. I think it's a bit risky, but I don't really have another alternative right now. Because the main thing that I wanted to do is I wanted to have a point and zoom. So I wanted to have it as a smaller canvas, but then zoom. So for example, it would be like this. It would be like 1080. So it would be the full size like that. And then it would be like here. But then it would be it would be zoomed in. And only on this scene would it be zoomed. And because it would follow my mouse, I think it would work pretty well. But yeah, I haven't gotten to the point where that's possible yet. So that's a bit tricky. I'm not sure what to do about that. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. How are you on this fine Monday? I'm doing pretty well. I'm doing pretty well, Ian. Can't really complain, yeah. I cannot complain. I cannot complain. I think this is the one track that I really like. I can never remember. Yeah, it is. Bam. So this works for the moment. This is basically just cropping left and right, and making it like basically here to here. I just have to kind of remember that that's the vertical territory, which is a bit tricky, but it's possible. It's certainly possible. It's not easy, but it's possible. Okay. That works. That basically works. So, that's the... Wait, is it still showing for you properly? Yeah. This is the 3070 layout. Now what I do is I tie this to the 3070, and I tie this scene to the 8020. Now watch what happens. Oh, you won't see this. You won't see this happen. When I change to 8020, it's on this scene. I'm going to change to 3070, and it changes this scene as well. You might have just caught it. So it just catches that, which is kind of awesome. It just does it automatically between the two. I don't know if I like the swipe to the left, to the up. Maybe swipe right? Maybe left. That's cool. I like that. Okay, what do we check? Branding is fine. Alerts are fine. Shoutout is there. That works, I guess. Roughly. Memes are also fine there. Featured chat. Oh yeah, okay, that's messed up. We have to reset the transform on the featured chat. Reset transform. Someone write a nice message that I can use for a quote. Someone write something decent in chat. Maybe like there. Transform center horizontally. Exactly. That's exactly what I expected. These are too small. Something decent in chat. They should be bigger. Your mother smells of elderberries. Wow. How would you know that though? That's what's concerning. Something decent in chat. You ask much of chat. Betty, I am very demanding of my chat. I'm very demanding of my chat. I also saw that the camera has a small, very tiny black barrier on the bottom of like 2 pixels. And then this line, which one is this? That's the top one. This line needs to come down. Hold on. Wait, no. Which one is this? Oh, that's the top line. Crap. That was correct. This one. Oh, thank you. That makes it easier to see. Whoever that was, thank you very much. Thank you, Exegete. Oh wow, what a quote. Maddie Two Shoes is an amazing person who is always inspiring others to be their best self. Their kindness and generosity are truly unmatched, and I feel so lucky to know them. I hope they continue to spread positivity and make the world a better place. This message was generated by ChatGPT. You couldn't even write a positive note yourself, Panda. Shame on you. Shame on you. How dare you? How dare you use AI to compliment me? Could you not have found one thing to say nice yourself instead of using ChatGPT to generate a positive comment? I will save that as a backtrack. Talk about hallucination. Allegedly. So anyway, I think we're good.
Why?
I mean, I could, but why burn calories doing something AI can do for you? I have never personally witnessed Maddie kicking a puppy. What? I would hope not. I would sure hope not. I've never kicked a puppy, that's why. Not on purpose, anyway. Everybody drop. Appalled Urchi. That username checks out. Are you appalled? Thank you for the follow. Where are you from? Who are you? Thank you for coming by. STDur, if you'd like to roll, you can roll D20 with the channel point redemption. And you can pick the number of D20s that you want to roll. Ian, thank you for the bits. I appreciate it very much. I think it's time to think about wrapping up for today, to be honest with you, chat. Because I have work in the morning after being off work for a week, over a week, and my sleep schedule has gone haywire. Has gone off the charts. Let's just put it that way. So I think we're gonna have to call it there, chat. I think we're gonna have to wrap up for tonight. But let's see. Promote my YouTube short. Definitely. Shmuki, you send everyone my short. STDur, thank you very much for the follow as well. Definitely promote my YouTube short. Drop a follow or sub on YouTube if you want to stay up to date with all my uploads. Carry on. Thank you very much for the follow as well. The easiest thing to not miss anything is follow me on Patreon. It's free. If you follow on Patreon, you will get notified of all the major updates, and you get stream recaps. And the stream recaps tell you everything about what happened on stream, so you don't miss anything. It's actually very, very convenient. Oh wow, the quick actions have changed. This is very strange. What have they done? They changed something about quick actions. This is not good. Why have they changed this? That's weird. They removed a quick action that was important for me. Yeah. Poopums, thank you for being here. Thank you to everyone for being here today. It's been a lot of fun. I wish we could have done the classroom scene, but alas, time hath left us too quickly. Time hath left us too quickly. So I think it's time to show you one scene that I made before we part ways for this evening. If you would like to see that. Oh yes, standard error or Saint Der. Yes, standard error. Thank you for correcting me on your username. I designed a scene and I would like to show it to all of you because I think it's pretty funny. It's pretty it's pretty funny actually. It's pretty funny. And so here is a scene that I used to have on my stream, and now I changed everything over to my new computer, and this is one of the scenes I've recreated. And so here you go. This is me on a billboard talking to you over the noise of traffic. It's been lovely. It's been a journey to get here. I paid a lot of money to be on this screen now, so I hope it's worth it. I really hope it's worth it. We're gonna look for a raid target. Let's see who we can raid. If you have any suggestions, I am more than happy to hear them. No memes. There's no memes outside. We're outside. What do you want to do with memes here? There's no memes here. Of course not. We're outside. How could you have memes? Anthony writes code. Is Anthony online? Anthony. Yes, that's one possibility. Oh, I know who I would like to raid. Throwing paper money at all the cars passing by. Yes, of course. Of course. I would like to raid... Oh no, no. That doesn't work anymore. They've left. That's horrible. Standard error, thank you for joining. Thank you everyone else for joining. Let's go to the actual ending scene. So here you go. The actual ending scene. I am going to check for the other person. They're also not online anymore. What a shame. Well, thank you, Wilder, for your resubscription or your subscription. I don't remember if it was a resub. Thank you to all the new followers. Karayon, Standard Error, Appalled Urchi, Betty, and Standard, and Inward, and Schmilky, and thank you for the raid, by the way. Thick Nam Nam, Drunk, Ink, Welcoming Messiah, Programming, PSJ, Shaving, and Marine. Thank you very much for those follows. And thank you, Ian, for throwing some bits around today. Oh, that's not English. That's very unfortunate. Just gonna search for a raid target. But I think I know what we can do. I think I know what we can do as a raid. Yep. I think we can do that. I think that works. Yeah, that works. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, so we are going to raid someone very cool. We're going to raid Honest Dan. I don't know if any of you know Dan. Dan and his wife, Alicia, stream lots and lots and lots. And they are currently doing, so Dan is currently doing a Ludum Dare, which is a kind of hackathon for gaming, where you create tons of different games, or one game, in a certain fixed amount of time, and then you do it. And they all have themes, and so it should be a good amount of fun. So do say hello and thank you, and good evening to Dan for me. And I wish you all a lovely week ahead, and see you very soon. Bye-bye.